Hi everyone, my name is Daniel, I'm the owner of Elite Furniture Moving, and if you're selling your home or just bought a new one, first off, congratulations. This is a big step, I know it's exciting, but it can be also, as we know, a little bit stressful. Whether you're getting close to the moving date, there's already a lot of going on. You got closing date, final walkthrough, signing papers, talking to your real estate agent, and planning your next move. Sometimes in the middle of that, you have to actually gotta move. And that's where we come in. At Elite Furniture Moving, we work here in San Diego, San Jose, and Los Angeles. We help families, couples, and homeowners move every day, especially folks who are going through a house sale or buying a new home. We understand the timing. Sometimes escrow closes faster than expected. Sometimes things get pushed back a few days. No worries. We're used to that, and we work with your closing dates and your schedule. If you're selling your home, you might need to move out right away after closing. If you're buying, you probably want to move the same day you got the keys, and we can help you to line it all up. Wrap all your furniture, protect all your doors, floors. We handle stuff like it's our own, so no more damages. Whether you're going from condo, townhouse, or full-size house, we get you covered. And to make it easier, we're running a special for everyone who's moving after buying or selling a home. You get up to 50 free boxes for your upcoming move. That's right, it's 50 free boxes. Just call us for a quick estimate and mention this video, and one of our representatives will be happy to offer you these free boxes for your upcoming move, so you can pack safely and move with no damages. Again, we'd like to help you move to make it as smooth and stress-free as possible, so you can enjoy a new beginning. Thanks, take care.